You gonna get it?
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry.
They'd never get it done.
Look, Brutus is taking those kittens to bed for a nap. What is this world coming to when dogs are caring for kittens?
What did you do? Fuse, guys.
Remember to give your cat a little maintenance now and then to avoid these glitches.
I've never seen her act like this. Holy shit.
Couple of weeks. Dr. Simpson's to help those patients.
It's okay. Stop.
Go in the bin while Mummy was upstairs.
Os tutores ainda não têm filhos, mas já tem alguém para praticar o embalo.
Bro just accidentally unlocked a new skill for his tail. Move! Your tushy ain't royal. Hey, stop! No shame, huh?
And boom, adoption finalized. Who's recording me right now? Caught in 4K.
Don't feed the dog. Layla, it's not good for the doggy. Layla. No, it's for Layla. Put it in.
But the kid is not my son.
Dog, and it said it wanted to go swim. And when that dog went to swim, like no other dogs could swim with the ball.
Meow can only use the time freezing power for 2 seconds, like.
You want me to stop? Okay.
is this? Ari!
Can you shake your tilts? Barnum, can you do a head tilt for a la la yummy? A Bobby ga boo boo. You wanna go for a whoop? And the tongue is out.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Compared to catching fish, catching a meow seems a lot more easier.
¿Qué tal?
Me. He is literally secure.
Lay down.
Yo fui.
I just have to send this email. I just. Oh, Theo, you're too.
This ninja's got stealth skills down. Only problem is, everyone can see him.
The staring contest begins. Two.
Look at that, though.
Dormir o dia inteiro também pode ser cansativo.
Come on, bud.
Ne se cache pas pour dénoncer ses voisins. Depuis 44 ans, elle est la concierge de cet immeuble. Chaque jour dans sa loge, c'est le même rituel. Michel s'installe discrètement à son poste d'observation.
C'est un bon poste là.
He didn't choose the snug life. The snug life chose him.
Exactly as clean as your reputation suggests.
Now I won't pee on the floor.
Little ones, such a devoted, gentle giant babysitter.
They said. It'll be easier, they said.
You're supposed to be a golden retriever, a family dog. Can you please let your sister touch you?
Even chickens can't have a meal these days without watching videos online.
A rooster watching Bluey.
It take you that long to...
Huh? As symbols of elegance because of their attitude. True gentleman always rings the doorbell before entering. Don't judge a book by its cover. This cute little lady might look sweet, but her level of menace is direct.
In the complete opposite direction because he sees it in the mirror.
What the dog doing?
Whatever.
Hey.
Barking on the kitchen counter, a smart way to ask for treats.
Okay, I don't think Mango looks like she's not having a good time.
That's hilarious. Slow-mo that.
Even other cats can't figure out what they're Fen doing half the time.
It's a standoff. Oh my God.
Go!
Cats are catch mice, but these days they probably prefer company instead.
This dog took the food and left without making a sound. So professional.
Oh my gosh, I just remembered something. I love you.
I swear nothing could wake baby Tug.
An involuntary
sunglasses.
Despacio, niños.
hit harder than you expect.
Apparently, even at cat gyms, securing a spot on the treadmill can't...
dog is the only thing on earth that will love you more than it loves itself.
It was supposed to have freezing rain all morning. Of course, I was like.
Turns out, you don't need wings to fly.
Paw, good girl's so pretty. You don't want to come in the bed? She said, I gotta get your toenails trimmed. I gotta get your toenails trimmed. I wanna go.
This decision is about to change your life path, buddy.
Kitty, are you dead? What are you doing?
Any back scratcher band want to sponsor her?
La perra loca. Miren la cara que tienen.
When you move to a new home, but immediately find the perfect cozy spot,
Hey, grab my dog.
So now I can't even put stuff up there? I'm looking right at you.
He's struggling with the dilemma of whether to leave the food box he just stole.
You make it even harder? Are you really my owner?
these two adorable babies are getting acquainted. Friendship begins with gentle
Oh my gosh! What do I do?
You want your ball?
You know, dive deep. More like dive deeper to do with the second.
Stop it! No!
I'm pretty sure that's how evolution happened.
upstairs.
I just don't understand.
Even without speaking the same language, this dog somehow understands everything the baby is trying to say.
¿Puedo tocar el hermanito?
No.
Elusive place, and this is the rest time.
Oh my. Seeing the kitten snuggled into the Golden's ear and paw just melts my heart.
What is that?
I've never seen a dog fly like this before.
God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that?
For help. That was weak. Give me a good one.
They always.
Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty.
Huh?
I bet you have more than a cat.
How many hearts do you see?
You watch me
Bleed until I can't breathe.
The warmest friendship ever. 2 fluffy pillows and a tiny fur ball.
Max.
Dog and the kitten Have you ever witnessed such heartwarming moments? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and have a wonderful day.
Speak, but that look clearly said, "Excuse me, what about me?"
Too bad. Noise.
Okay. Are you trying to put lipstick on Milo? Yeah, try it again.
Would you take the treasure hunting game too seriously?
Watch. You know.
Good boy. Such a good boy.
Look at her. Soup.
Go.
Being a dog dad ain't easy. If they understand your words, you're halfway there.
The toy's not leaving. Not on my watch or my teeth.
Oh Lord, oh Lord. Okay, y'all doing too.
Hey, excuse me, I had an appointment.
Michelangelo forgot a statue model here. Oh, too coward to be casted.
Tofu's love language is gift giving.
One is operating on 5G speed, while the other hasn't even loaded yet.
Good.
Ahí está, ahí viene, agárrate bien.
compilation. They'll remind you with some mischief. Cats are super observant, so weird weather is no exception. See you soon!
Yeah, smell what's that?
That
Stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it.